What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a brand new NASCAR Diecast unboxing to get into. We should have 6 brand new releases to get through here. Some 2025, some 2026 cars. We're going to look at one at a time. In this box, got some exciting ones in here. A bunch of packing peanuts in the way. So let's get that out of the way. Hide what's coming up. Maybe get them one at a time. So first up, I'm going to move the box a little bit. First up, Tyler Reddick. This is a 2025 Jordan brand AJ40 Toyota Camry. 2025 season there. Jordan brand. Always comes to the track with a good looking car there. For Reddick, 2311. Of course, a round of 16 scheme here. Playoff yellow to be seen there. So let's see. Next, out of the box, let's see what we got. We've got Ryan Blaney's number 12. This is the Advanced Auto Parts Daytona win. In that fantastic Daytona finish. This could have been a Cole Custer Daytona win, along with a few other people. That was like a 5-wide finish, almost. But Blaney gets it done. So pretty cool. Cool scheme. Cool to have it be a winning scheme with the confetti on it. We're going to stick with the winning schemes because we've got a number 24 William Byron Raptor Iowa win from 2025. Iowa race. Same thing here. Cool scheme, cool confetti all over it. Then we've got one more race-winning car. This is Denny Hamlin's Progressive number 11 Dover win from 2025. So this one, pretty cool as well. I like this scheme. Cool. I don't like Denny Hamlin, but I like the scheme. And this scheme actually saw victory lane a few times in 2025, along with Martinsville, a race I was at. And then we've got some 2026 cars. We've got Alex Bowman's 2026 Ally Chevrolet for Hendrick Motorsports. Good to see Alex Bowman back after missing a few races this season. Back-to-back third places as of this video coming out. So pretty cool. And then last car out of the box, Chase Elliott's Prime number 9 from 2026. Amazon Prime back on board for another year here with NASCAR and with Chase. And of course, this is the Texas winning scheme here. So, can't wait to get that race version down the line. But as of now, pretty cool to get the standard version released here. So, we've got some 2026 in here. 2 Hendrick 2026 cars here. And then 3 2025 raced versions. So there's the 2 Hendrick. The new Chevy mold on these puppies right here. Very small difference. You can only tell. I've seen the pictures of them, but you can only tell if you take them out and you look at them. But so there's the 2026 cars. Then you got a Reddick. Then you've got 3 wins from last season, with Blaney at Daytona, 24 car at Iowa, and Hamlin's Dover win. But that'll about wrap this one up. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment on which car you like the best from this video, and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out.